Hello friend, today we will learn how to remove duplicate data from Excel. For this, first you have to select all data. Then after, go to Data tab, then click on Data tool, then click on Remove Duplicate. A dialog box will open. Check which data you want to show, then click on OK. It will automatically remove repeated data. In this data, in the name column, Amit name has repeated 2 times. We will remove duplicate to follow same process. Now, repeated data has removed. As we know that in a phone column there is 2 repeated value. Same process we will do to remove number also.